what if we want to build our own custom GPT like this using ChatGPT's latest update, but we also want to embed it into our website? Well, in this video I'm going to explain how you can build a custom GPT that's trained on your own data, with your own custom instructions, with your own branding that you can then embed into your website to either automate customer service or to collect information from people who are on your website and then use that to improve your service. So, the biggest problem that we have at the moment with a custom GPT is we can't embed it into our website. It's all localized within OpenAI. The other problem is there is a limited amount of data that we can actually add to our chatbot. There's a word limit, there's also a file size limit. So to get around all of these problems, if you click the top link in the description, it will take you to our website, ChatIQ.ai, where you can actually create custom AI agents to embed on your website. You can actually do this for free. For 2 weeks, you can trial our software and see how it works for you. So, how does it actually work? Well, you can see here I've got one embedded on my website already. I've asked it what is ChatIQ, and it's actually trained on all of the information on our website. It understands every little detail about our business, it understands every little selling point and feature that we have. So if I ask it a question, for example, what is ChatIQ, it understands that it's a platform that allows users to build their own customer service agents. It also knows how it's going to help my business by increasing conversion rates and convincing customers to purchase my products. So, okay, how do I actually build one? Well, if you actually click the Get Started for Free button, it'll take you through our onboarding process. There is a 2-week free trial that you have to sign up for. You can cancel that at any time within your account, and you can use ChatIQ for free for 2 weeks. Then it will take you into your dashboard. Now, the onboarding will actually build you your first chatbot, but in this video I'm going to explain how you can actually adjust that chatbot and add more information to your chatbots. So you can see here the plan that I'm on for this account has got 1 million words as the limit. I've already uploaded 250,000 words, which is significantly higher than the number of words that you'll be able to upload onto OpenAI. So, what sort of files can we upload? Well, we can actually upload a PDF file, we can scrape our website, or we can just upload basic text information. And the idea is we want to build chatbots that can respond to users' questions and be quite advanced and intelligent in terms of their responses. So, for example, if I click on the Upload Data button, I can actually upload up to 10 PDFs at once. I can scrape my website, I can also fetch all of the links from my website, and I can also tag that data. So you can see here if I come to my filter and I look at ChatIQ, for example, these are the different links that I have scraped from my website that I'm now going to use to build a custom chatbot. Okay, cool. But what if we want our chatbot to respond in a specific way? We want it to handle customer questions, concerns, or maybe we are building something different to a customer service chatbot. Well, that's actually pretty easy. So if we come down to the prompts library, on the left here we actually have a list of public prompts created by other users that we can actually pick and choose from. We can browse these, we can see what other people are writing, and then we can use this to learn how to create custom prompts. What we can also do is filter by category. So say for example we wanted an educational chatbot. There's a prompt here called Specialist Educator. Now, 8 people that are currently or have currently voted that this is a very good prompt. You can see here someone's created a couple of people have created different versions of this prompt that we can also take a look at and see whether we want to use those. So I've already got this one saved into my account. You can see it's here. Now once it's saved, I can actually edit this and adjust it and change it in whichever way that I want to make sure that it works for my business, because sometimes people will have their own links or things will be in here that won't actually work for our business. Cool, so that's how you can create an own custom prompt, but let's get back to building our chatbot. We're going to select these 4 bits of data, and we're going to use these to train our new chatbot. So we're going to click on Create Chatbot. We're going to call this one Test. We're going to select the custom prompt from our library, so that's the customer service one. We can also give it a greeting message, and we can also change the colors of this chatbot. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and build the chatbot. I'm going to close this, and you can see it's loaded up basically instantly. Now I've already built one here, so we're going to actually use this one to play around with. So what if I want to use this chatbot and now embed it onto my website? Well, if I actually, we'll use the new one we've just built. If I click this button here, it's going to take us to the chatbot workspace. The chatbot workspace is a place for us to actually start to play around with our chatbot and see how it responds. So here we can see all of the knowledge in our chatbot. If we want to go ahead and add the new knowledge from our library, we can go ahead and do that with one click. So for example, we can add this bit of data. Alternatively, we can then go ahead and remove that data if it's not working for us. We can create multiple chats and chat threads, and then we can actually test our chatbot. So for example, I can ask it, what is ChatIQ? It's going to take a second to load, and then it's going to go through and start to read all of these documents simultaneously and use that information that it's got to give us a response. So you can see here it's given us a breakdown of exactly what the software does. It's given us a detailed summary. Now, you may find that this is quite a long response and you want to adjust this and make it easier for people to read, and you can do all of that by heading to your settings panel. If we head to settings and we look at the new chatbot we've built, we can see here, okay, it's using the customer service prompt. So we know that we need to update the customer service prompt. So we can come into here and we can say, okay, paste something like this in, and we can get it to use a detailed summary, make it shorter, give its responses in maximum of 100 words, for example. Then we can come back to our chatbot, click on the chatbot that we've just built, and then we can try and test our chatbot again. There's loads of different things that we can do with our chatbots. For example, we can get it to recommend links to people depending on their emotions, but it all comes down to prompting. And if you want to understand prompting more, there is obviously a tutorial in each one of these windows that will teach you a little bit more about what you can do. Awesome. What is all of this? Well, you can see here we've got multiple links. We've got the pricing, the careers, another pricing page, and checkouts. When it's got its response, it's actually reading all of these documents and it's finding the most relevant information that it needs to answer your question. So for example here, we've got the careers link, we've got the pricing link, and I think that's all it's used. So if we had 20 different documents in here or 100 different documents in here, it would read all of those and it would pick the most relevant information that it needs. You can also visit the URL to see what URL this actually is that it's using. The same thing goes if it's a PDF. So you can have a chatbot that references PDFs items, and it also references URLs as well. Now, what if we want to embed this into our website? Very easy. If we come up to here and click on Share Chatbot, we're going to have the option to share it to our social media. We have the option to get a chatbot widget or a central iframe. Now, a central iframe is this, so we can embed it directly into our website. Alternatively here, this is the embeddable widget with a little icon. So we're going to go for the icon widget. And all we're going to do is we're going to select this here. We're going to Control C to copy that, and then we're going to head to our website hoster. So I'm hosting this website example on Webflow. Yours may be Shopify, WordPress, Wix, GoDaddy, anything like that. As long as you can edit the head code within your website, you can embed your chatbot. And I'm pretty sure about 100% of websites allow you to do this. We have a list of ones that are applicable on our website as well. But wherever your website is, there will be a section with custom code. If it's Shopify, you can go down on the left panel to online store, I think it is, themes. If you click on themes, there's a drop down that says edit code, and then go to the theme.liquid. Once you're there, all you need to do is just paste your link, your embed code into the head code like this. Now you can see I've already got one here, so I'm not going to save this, but what you would do is click save and then publish, and then that will now be embedded directly onto your website. Awesome. What if I now want to see the messages that people are sending to my chatbot? Well, this is a live account that we currently have on our website. So these are all the different chatbots that we've built. A couple that I'm doing different tests. You can see this account's got 5 million words. It's not showing the word count because it's a private account owned by the company. But the chatbots used, we've got 8 out of 30 chatbots used. So we can build a lot of chatbots. We can upload a lot of information to our database. Now I want to see what messages people are sending to this main chatbot on my website. So all I need to do is come down to the messages section here and then select the chatbot that I'm looking for underneath here. So for example, if I scroll down here, I can see all the different messages that people are asking my chatbot. So this is a very good example of a long conversation that someone's had with the chatbot. They've asked it, will it make me more money? It's designed to increase conversion rates and turn website visitors into customers. And then someone's asked a bit more information about how it's going to do that. What can you tell me about ChatIQ? And then is it worth using it for my website? you can see here it's actually recommended the link for them to actually get signed up. So this is managing a good conversation from someone. Now you can see some people are asking questions like what's the mass of the sun. You will get people are asking strange questions, and then you can get an understanding of what's going on your website, the traffic that you're getting, and the questions that people are asking, and the things that you need to do to improve your website. Now the reason I'm getting questions like this is because people are using the chatbot to basically ask just general questions, because we do a lot of marketing to just students and a lot of different industries for people who want to build custom chatbots on their own data, not just for customer service. So I know what sort of customers I've got, what leads are coming into my business, and I know what I need to do for my marketing to improve the conversion rates. I need to know what I need to add to my website to increase conversion rates. And then here I can obviously assess how well the chatbot's responding to answers. If the chatbot's constantly saying things like I don't know the answer to that question, probability is that it doesn't have enough information. So I need to come back into my chatbot, and then I need to update and add more information to that chatbot. So to give you an idea, this is one chatbot that I've got on my website, and we've got a lot of bits of information. And what I've actually done every now and again is I add a new PDF. So for example here, the ChatIQ FAQs PDF is specifically written to address a lot of questions that people were asking that the chatbot didn't actually have information on. So you can constantly come in and add new knowledge to your chatbot. As soon as you've added knowledge to your chatbot, it will update instantly on your website. You won't need to do anything, you won't need to re-embed it. This is just a great place for you to manage all of that information. So if you want to get started and build your own, all you need to do is click the top link down below in the description. It will take you to this website. All you then need to do is get started for free. There's a 2-week free trial. You can manage your trial in your account, you can cancel it early, you can email us, you can ask a chatbot how to manage your subscription, or if you have any problems, you can always ask the chatbot. We've got over 10,000 businesses using our chatbots at the moment, so I'd love to hear some feedback on what you guys think down below in the comments, but I will see you in the next video.